Hello and welcome to this Fastrac how-to video. Today I'm going to take you through the hydraulic controls. Let's take a look. There are 7 position controls on the spool valve lever: neutral, float, constant pump, then proportional and time in both directions. To adjust the hydraulic settings, first go into your main tractor settings page. Then select the spool valve icon. Select the spool valve you wish to adjust. To set a time, select the icon and use the plus and minus icons to set the time. Then press save. To adjust the flow rate, select the icon and use the plus and minus to set a flow from 1 to 100%. Then click save. The green spool can be selected for priority flow. If this icon is green, priority flow is turned on. To turn it off, simply press the icon once. The external hydraulic fender buttons can be used with the green, blue and brown spool. To set the spool valve, select the external fender icon. Depending on specification, this changeover button diverts the grey spool from the front to the rear. Before travelling down the road with an implement, ensure the transport lock is engaged. Thank you for watching this Fastrac how-to video. Please remember, always refer to your operator's manual for more details. Join us again next time for another Fastrac how-to.